This is Purnima Devi. Hi, this is Purnima Devi from SNSCT. Now I discuss about the tree hierarchy. Tree hierarchy which we are used in the data visualization process, and the tree visualization is a tree. The tree visualization is a displays hierarchical data with a collection of nodes and edges. A normal tree visualization is the most commonly used type of hierarchical visualization, and it is easy to interpret the traditional tree structure. It is widely known. This tree structure is a hierarchical visualization, and it will depict the data and it will depict the data with the parent-child relationship. It is commonly used to represent the organizational structures, decision path or file system. Some of the examples of tree diagram is tree map and node link diagram. These are all the tree map diagrams. So we are use this some type of tree visualization to represent the information to the particular audience. So first one is a tree diagram. It is a normal tree diagram. We use data points as a nodes, and the edges or the relationship between the data edges or the relationship between the data types. And the tree maps, these visualization are nested rectangles that represent the hierarchical data. The root node will be the large size of rectangles, and the child nodes will be the smaller rectangle based on the hierarchy. So these tree map will be used in the tableau. So each and every tool having the different type of trees. So for in our syllabus we using tableau tool for this tree map, tableau tool and tableau tool. So the next one is radial tree diagram. These represent the hierarchy in a circular format. So we use the circular layout for the tree template. So in the root node will be the inside of the circle, and the child node will be the outer layer of the circles. So these are all the radial tree diagram. So tree diagram is a fundamental one. We use the nodes and edges and the nodes and edges. And the next one is tree map. We use the rectangular template as a tree map. And the next is radial tree diagram. So it in this layout we use a circular layout for this tree representation, and this cone tree diagram. So in this cone tree diagram, the decision making process, that is we the nodes, the root node will be the edge corner, and the leaf nodes will be the base in the base. So the next one is decision trees. So in this it will illustrate the decision making processes or outcomes with nodes representing the decision, and it also represent the possible outcome of the data which we are represented. The next is paleogenetic. It is a specialized tree diagram. It's used to represent the evaluationary relationship between these entities. The next is tendograms. So these tendogram displays the hierarchical clustering results and is showing how data points are grouped together. Some key components used in this data visualization is, first one is node. The individual data points, that is data elements, are represented as a nodes. And the next is edges. So the link or connections between the nodes will be represented as an edge. The next is root node. The topmost node is a node in the hierarchy is called root node. And the leaf node, a node which doesn't have childs are called leaf node. The root node will be the topmost node. So from that root node we separate the some type of leaf nodes. So levels, there are different layers we use in this tree diagram based on the data points which we have. So the level the levels will be started from the zero, and which node didn't have the child node, the level will be stopped. So where we are using this tree visualization is, first one is an organizational. So we are representing the tree diagram for the particular organization, and which is used to represent the hierarchy. And this next one is file system navigation. So in this we use the visualization directory structures and the decision making. So we will illustrate the different paths and outcomes, and exploring the hierarchical data structures.